I'm not a noun, you fucking bitch. I'm an insult. I'm a gateway to the underground. Feed me, you fucking cunt.
It is I, Skeletor! We were supposed to do this script before, but it glitched out, and now we have to do it right now. Anyways, it's a possessed toilet. I don't know what the fuck that means, but okay.
I'll show you yellow, you fucking bitch.
Right.
I'll show you green!
Why would you still?
I already am.
Okay, why would you steal holy water from the church?
I'm a religious and have a drink.
He's floating!
Oh, this way.
Foolish. You think a little water could stop me? I'm the shit ghost. Woo!
That's an unfortunate name! We'll totally meet again!
It burns. I'm kidding. That tickles you fucking bitch.
Alright. This is getting out of hand.
Toilet paper, no, you Skeletor.
Please, now is not the time for jokes. This isn't funny, honey.
Okay, let's get serious, honey whiskers. Do we call the construction worker to try to flush it out instead? Push it out.
Did you seriously just suggest we should flush the evil spirit out of our toilet?
It's worth a shot. Could try anonymous as result.
None of it will matter. You fucking adjective. I'll drag you all down to hell. Now sit on my feet. What the fuck?
Great. I was starting to act like my hug. It's wonderful, really.
Okay, Chris.
Starting to act like a DeviantArt user.
That toilet and if
You'll regret this, you insult.
Our toilet possessed by demons.
I need to go up on the stage.
Our toilet possessed by demonic horseshoe crap. No, this is not a prank. Please don't hang up.
I dare you.
My line's coming in.
Shape crap. It's kind of hot. So.
No, we haven't tried saying it yet. Okay, you'll be here in a few seconds. We're completed for the device.
Yeah, I have arrived! I'm not sure why you called me a construction worker theorist, but I am here to help you bumbling buffoons.
Definitely
Well,
buffoon.
thank goodness you're our hero. Dumb Cosmic can't fix a toilet.
Is that Spider-Man?
I might be a
Not
but I'm not
fitting the shit
I'm
up.
not.
Never fear, this construction worker theorist is here. Now, where's the demonic porcelain fiend? Is a construction worker theorist a real job?
I'm just
That's a real job, okay.
Shit ghost thing. Please help me, you fucking bitch.
Can you stop talking like you're having a stroke? See? There is nothing to fear at all. Just an imbecile. Fuck you.
That's a pseudo double talk. It's trying to drag you into the pits of hell.
Why are you all putting emphasis on your words? Okay, toilet, you have flushed your last noun. Pokemon! I choose you, Taco Bell! Tortillas with extra garlic sauce. Quick, use the clusterfuck. That's probably an actual Pokemon move.
What? What is this sorcery? You haven't seen the last of me, you shitbag, and that's coming from me.
Toilet does explode.
My job here is done.
The toilet.
I think we have another problem.
What?
Okay.
That was horrible. That was horrible. Is a construction worker theorist a real job?
Thank you. I actually really like it, and I will make this.
I simply had the suggestion thing put on there and just like, let me put theorist in it.
But hey, that's just a theory. A game theory.
Millions are dead because